Hi everyone, this is Sachin and today we will start working on how we can start learning Angular. This is an introductory session on what should we learn first in Angular. So this is a small course which will be shown to everyone, and in this session I will go through the Angular course like this one, and in this course there are some contents which will we go through, like how we can create component and how we can use input output ng4 if else classes and other things which are necessary. You can say at most 90 to 95% things you will learn in this session and upcoming sessions. And this is a small video on how we can start our Angular journey. So for that, let's start on how we can start developing an app in Angular. So for that, first thing you have to do is to download nodejs. If you are completely new in Angular, then you have to download the nodejs and install it. Like, let me show you an example like how we do it. Okay, nodejs.org, click enter, and then go to the current 17.7.2 cause we usually use the material UI respective to that. So we will just click on, and since I have already downloaded the file, why not should I override the right now, so the completely new people will understand how we can use it. So this is done, download is complete, and I'm right now preparing for downloading, and yeah, so it's loading now. Next, click. So right now I have already installed, then why not should I change? Okay, let's change it. Next, change. So for you normal people, it will be shows as install, then it will work in that way. Great. As you finish, it will complete the setup. Now the second part you have to do is to install VS Code and it will be look like, yes, as you click on the first link, click on the download on the Windows, and then okay, alright, oh, 1 minute, let's download it again. Start download. And open it. Okay, now I accept. Next, create desktop icon if you want to, else let's go on and start the installing. I have already installed the VS Code, so if you have already installed the VS Code, then It's not necessary for you to reinstall it again, as it's updated again and again. And okay, wait for some minute, let it extract. Okay, launch VS Code. If you want to, you can launch. And now VS Code install. Second part, VS Code is complete. And now let's go to the CMD command prompt. Okay, now you have to use npm install g @angular /cli, then press enter. Okay, it's complete. And after that, let's check what are the commands we can use in our Angular. So as you click on the ng, then it will show you all the commands that we can use: add, analytics, build, deploy, etc. And you can see serve for your app, test, and extra and all. And then let's create an application from the very start, and after creating an application we will end this. So let's go. For that, you have to just simply write ng space new space Angular code. Let's write Angular code. Okay, as you press enter, it will start creating the files. And if you want to create the Angular routing, then click yes. For now, we will click on the N. And yes, I want to create, but I want to use SCSS. So click on the enter and let's go. So it's created. Right now I am in the different folder. For now I have to go in the folder that the application I have created in, which is Angular code. So I have used cd and then Angular code. So right now I am in the Angular code, and as I click on the ng serve, it will show, it will open my project, my application. Nice. Now let's go to the Control C. You can directly go to this way. So our app is created. Now let's go to the VS Code for that. For now, if you want to locate your file, just simply go to this PC and then your user. Then I have used the P2V, then Angular code, double click on it and right click to see, open with code. So that's how you can create your application, and at the end of the video I will show you how we can simply these are the modules. Let's go to the source app. Nice. So right now I will show you how we can create a simple component in our app, and after that we will end this video. So new terminal, ngserve. Okay, ngserve is already created. So for now, ng is basically the command we are using. Ng and G for generate, C for component, and then space the, and after that what is the component you want to create. Like right now I want to create a common page, a common folder, so that in which I can use login, in which I can use header, footer and all the different pages. So let's write it like this, common. Okay, now if I click on the common, then it will start creating a folder in this. So yeah, the folder is created. Nice. Now if I want to create one more inside the component, then it will show like this, ngc common, then slash, then header. As I click on the enter, then it will create a folder inside the common. See, this is created. Now let's create the footer, and if you want to do not want to write the code again, then click the click up button like this up, and then if you want to enter footer, then I will just click and enter. So this will create a footer. And at the third, if you want to create module, then for that I have created a small video on how we can start creating a module, how we can start creating a router. So I have make a video on that, and I will continue with that on the next video. So thank you so much, have fun, and I hope you could learn more from it. Thank you so much.